How Do Dinosaurs Stay Safe? By Jane Yolen, illustrated by Mark Teague, and read creatively by Miss Jill. How does a dinosaur stay safe all day, whether at home or at school or at play? Does he climb up too high? Or jump on his bed? Does he race on his bike with no helmet on his head? Is he rough with a cat? Does he stand up on chairs? When Mama says no, does he run down the stairs? If anyone dares him, does he always try to jump from the rooftop as if he could fly? No, a dinosaur doesn't, and I'll tell you why. When crossing the street, he holds Mama's hand tight, and he's ever so watchful to cross with the light. He's careful with forks, knives, and spoons when he eats. And he never goes off with the strangers he meets. When swimming with friends, he is careful to be right at the spot where his papa can see. He wears a good helmet when riding a bike. And he takes bottles of water when on a long hike. Always safe, never sorry, in playtime and fun, our dinosaur knows how to dial 911. He's careful, not fearful. So here's a big roar. Stay safe and play safe, little dinosaur. The end. If you want to hear more stories like this, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It's free. Thanks.